We're down to our favorite spot tonight at the Maverick, getting the old Black Pearl fueled up. It's been a busy Thanksgiving weekend. We have been going all day long and we've burned plenty of fuel and spent a little time behind the wheel today. We're headed up to Kolob Terrace Road to get a Land Rover, Range Rover, some sort of Rover pulled out. So we're gonna get fueled up, maybe get us a little, I don't even know what to get. I've had so much pie and cake and ice cream and turkey and you name it that I don't know that I'm in the mood for anything. But we're gonna get up the road and go get this gal pulled out, so we'll take you along for the ride. Party on, huh?
Yeah. I feel really stupid. I've never gotten stuck in my life.
Well, welcome to Utah.
Yeah.
Well, you're not too stuck.
Yeah, and unfortunately it's stuck enough it wouldn't come out.
I think we want to definitely bring you out backwards, though.
I kept trying to come out backwards because, you know, there was already a trail, but...
I think that's our best bet. Do you want to... Oh, and by the way, the conversation was great.
Okay, thanks.
I just enjoy that kind of stuff. So why don't you jump out and get it started, and let's get it up to temperature so it's warm. So yeah, if you'll get it started, we'll let it warm up just a few minutes before we hot rod the heck out of it.
Okay.
So on these late night tows, there's not much to see in the dark, so we hooked up to her and winched her up out of there, no problem, and decided we'd make sure she got turned around and follow her back to town. All right, well, we made it up to Kolob, but we weren't just up a little bit. We were all the way to the reservoir, so we was able to get up here no problem. I don't really like coming up here in the middle of the night by myself in one Jeep, but that's how it goes sometimes when you're out and about. So we threw a camera on the dash and had a pretty good time. We always make sure the customer makes it back to civilization. We've got probably about 30 miles of just rural mountain roads. It's pretty well paved now, a little bit of ice and snow on it, but make sure they make it back to town. And thanks for jumping in there and coming along for the ride. We'll catch you on the next one. The next morning it was time to load up the old Duramax and head up the mountain with the snowcat, see if we couldn't find us a Christmas tree. Hey, look what we did. We loaded up the snowcat. We're gonna run up to the cabin real quick and shut off the propane to the stove and the fridge and all the good stuff and make sure the drains all have enough antifreeze in them. And man, what a beautiful day. Had to move a couple bigger trees out of the road so they don't cause us problems later in the winter or next spring. Alright, well, we came into the cabin and there's two trees across the road. Somebody hit this one the other day and busted their tracks off their snow machine. We're going to pull this one down around the corner and get it out of the way, and then we'll get that big one out of the way too. Watch yourself. Oh. let's go grab that other tree.
What other one?
The one that's hanging down. If we get more snow, we won't be able to go underneath it. We're gonna choke this one.
Oh.
Okay, move clear over there.
Oh.
Much better. We had to go over to the neighbor's cabin and grab this trailer. It wasn't too bad to get out. We had to work the old girl pretty good, but we got her back to town, no problem, got it checked out, so we'll be able to load the snowmobiles on it and be all ready to go for the winter. We headed back into the back country to find us a perfect Christmas tree and had this big spruce laying across the roadway, so we decided we'd hook onto it and pull it out of the way.
That's good. Oh, yeah, come back now. Good.
Alright, let's go, Link. That'll get it off the road and out of the trail. Of course, no trip to the mountains complete without letting the kids get on the knee board with the ski rope and hang on for dear life while we bang around looking for the perfect spot to find a tree. So we had a really good time up there playing around. It's been a fun holiday weekend, but I'm sure the calls are rolling in, so I better get back to town and help the boys pretty quick. I'm going to lose my man card, my camouflage, and all my plaid shirts over this sawzall right here, because I should be using an axe.
Woo!
There went my man card. Alright, we got her done. And we want to get out of here before sunset. Holy crap, we'd be in trouble. It is really cute.
It is cute. The Grinch stole Christmas.
I think it looks cute. When we get home, I guess we'll find out.
I think it would be cute, and it's tall and skinny.
That's
which is
such
what
a
we
cool,
want.
like the snow cat with it on it.
Yeah.
Like Santa's sleigh?
Rope.
All we have is a ski rope.
That'll work.
We have a Factor 55 rope.
Mom, the toes on my right foot are frozen.
Okay, we'll go back to the cabin and get warmed up while we're cooking soup.
Go. Oh, it's down Woo! Oh gosh. Hi, Pop. Hi. Say hi to the camera. Poppy wants to come. That's okay. Poppy! Come here.
We got the cabin all buttoned up, and we better get back to town and in a hurry.
Any cars coming? I'm gonna wait for your dad to get across first. Oh, he's way right.
Oh, oh, oh! Works.
Got the snowcat loaded, but I had to take the snowmobile for a dig. The calls are already rolling in, so we better get loaded and get back to town. We're headed up on the interstate. All right, well, we're up here on I-15. Thanksgiving holiday weekend. Cars piled up 10 deep, rear ending each other, so what a party it is.